In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Figma with Lovable AI, opening up a world of possibilities for your design workflow. This straightforward process will enable you to combine the strengths of both platforms, enhancing your productivity and creativity. Firstly, you'll need to begin by launching the Chrome browser on your computer. Once you're in the browser, go ahead and open Lovable AI. If you're not already familiar with Lovable AI, it's an intuitive tool that empowers you with artificial intelligence capabilities to enhance your design projects. Now that you're on the Lovable AI interface, the next step is to navigate to the integrations section. This is your gateway to connecting Lovable AI with a variety of third-party applications, allowing you to expand its functionality and tailor it to your specific needs. Once you're in the integrations area, scroll through the list of available applications until you find Figma. This is the design software you'll be linking with Lovable AI. Select Figma to proceed further with the integration. At this point, you'll be prompted to log into your Figma account. Filling in your login credentials here is crucial as it ensures that Lovable AI can access the necessary files within your Figma account. It's a secure process designed to keep your designs and data safe. Once logged in, keep an eye out for a request from Lovable AI asking for authorization. This is a standard step and involves granting permission for Lovable AI to access your Figma files. By authorizing this, you're instructing Figma to trust Lovable AI with your data, allowing it to work seamlessly with your designs. Make sure you review the permissions before you proceed so you understand what level of access you are providing. With the authorization complete, you're now ready to import or sync your Figma designs directly into Lovable AI. This is a powerful feature because it allows you to bring over your existing projects from Figma and begin leveraging the artificial intelligence capabilities of Lovable AI to refine, analyze, and potentially enhance your designs. Whether it's a single design or an entire project, this integration simplifies your task management by consolidating your tools and resources into one platform. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully linked Figma with Lovable AI. This integration not only broadens your creative toolkit, but also fosters a more fluid and efficient design process. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials that will help you unlock the full potential of your design tools.